Look at it.
Steve, what do you think?
I think it's good.
Bye, Peter. Bye, Stephen. Here, let me in. I want to get. Oh, the walk's really good. So, Stephen, what episode is this of the classic show? Sorry, the front side, he doesn't want to be on the camera. He gets a bit unwell.
He gets camera shy. This is the episode on tour.
This is your house, Stephen?
It's mine.
Landowner. See that over there? That's the Volkswagen. Big fancy Volkswagen. See there? It's like a satin Phantom.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's the Phantom. It's the big one. It is, yeah. Sorry, I've known as well. 39,000 pounds, huh? She's nice though, isn't she? Is there tea here? It's an old now, Stephen. It's Patrick's favourite car. It's out a Land Cruiser. Lovely machine. She isn't brand new. No, she's washed. She's clean though. She's fine though. Well, there's another discovery ahead of it. But. So Pat, you come to a Land Rover show to look at a digger. That's a lovely look there now. I said the classic would suit here. Look well here now. Oh, yeah. It's meant to be stand-up jet ski, it's handy, isn't it? Damage? Not really, huh?
Cracked it, yeah.
Damage even? What do you expect, isn't it? What do you expect? We'll head up this hill, will we? Right, so we're going up this hill over here, are we?
Yeah.
Right.
I'll have to figure it all out first.
Watch this man in the fender here. This woman.
They're all coming around there. So how do we get towards the hill? Well,
Yeah, drive over here.
Let's drive over here.
No, but there's a narrow gap there too.
It's the easiest way. No entry. So how do we go down there? Well,
Oh, they're going to the flood.
oh yeah.
Ah, yeah, we'll do that.
Well,
You're all right. Yeah, you're going to go up. Wait for him to go. Wait for him to go, Stephen. Remember, you drive right into the back of someone.
you ready, Patrick?
No, hold on. Are you ready to go, Stephen?
Driving into someone like earlier.
Watch the thing across Ah, boys.
I can give it
Yeah, how do I get over there now?
Left here, go left here for the one.
This is like a wild free for all. I'm going to go back in, won't I?
Don't be mess. Don't be mess. Don't be mess. Don't be mess. Go left here and go over the old course.
Will I?
Remember the first way we went, the steep hill?
I don't think she'll go up it, will you?
She will. Low. You don't have your general grabbers. Do you want me to get out and film it, or do you want?
No, just go up it.
Right, nice and slow.
I have to be fast enough.
No, don't. It's too slow because you don't want to meet someone on the hill. I'd laugh at this up in there. You just drove straight into it.
You leave your bumper behind you.
No, I did not. She did well there, didn't it?
What happened there?
There's a milk you dive it through.
Oh dear.
Where to go now?
Don't drive into the Jeep. We're kind of. Hold on, you go here. You go left.
I'll go around.
They're everywhere.
I don't know what. They're all over the shop. What's up here?
Yeah. Make sure he's not here. Oh, we go to the right here.
Yeah. I'm going to really put it now here.
Oh yeah.
You know what's gonna
Let him go
happen,
first and don't crash into the wood this time, right?
This is exactly what's going to happen. You're going to crash into it.
We're sure.
Alright, now we go out to home.
Alright, Stephen. The end of the show, I think.
It is indeed. We had a great day out here at the Trillick Land Rover off-day event. Whatever it was.
Off-roading day.
Off-roading day. It was very good, very enjoyable. It was kind of a free-for-all at the end, but I thoroughly enjoyed the day and I'll definitely come along again. And I recommend you to come along if you get the chance.
Even met a fan, a subscriber. No,
Unbelievable.
Folks, thank you very much for watching today's show. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll go off to get some food now, and we'll chat you
Very
later.
shortly. Bye-bye.